So easy, so simple. Just shut up, Dave. Put it together. Half-pound patty melt. Let's go. I'm gonna make some patty melts. Got some onions, got some relish and some ketchup. Gonna make a ketchup onion relish. Got us some sourdough everything bread from ALDI and some Gouda cheese. So let's get started. All right, we're just gonna season our hamburgers with salt and pepper, fresh ground, as always. Oh man, this is smelling good. All right. There's a couple beautiful burger patties here. Yum. All right, let's go on with our bread. Just leave that butter right in the middle and it'll find its way under there. Okay, our tops are gonna get mayonnaise. We've got a bunch of minced onions. We've got about a half a cup of them, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna go with sounds like a fart. 2 tablespoons of ketchup and a couple teaspoons of dill relish. Some fresh ground salt and pepper. All right. And a little bit of garlic powder. About a half a teaspoon. Just mix that up. Now before we do any tangy or sweet, we're going to give it a taste. I'm going to hit it with a little tangy. It's kind of sweet. So I'm going to go with a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Oh, that's amazing. It's that easy. I like to let this sit in the fridge for about 3 hours before we use it. Our bottoms are going to get some of that delicious ketchup onion relish. Nice big helping of that. That's going to be the flavor blast in this particular patty melt. Now we're just going to let our toast get a little crispy before we drop the burgers on there. All right, we got some toasting action going on that bread. Let's go ahead and put our delicious patties on top of that tasty ketchup onion relish. Oh yeah. Now these aren't the patty melts you're used to getting from the 5 and dime. These are fat patty melts. That's the way I make them. That's the way I was taught to make them. We used to sell these for $6 each back in the 70s. $5.99 in the 70s for a patty melt was a lot of money. So we're just gonna go ahead and, yeah buddy, my bird is freaking out. We are just gonna cheese that sucker up. That's where the patty melt comes in. If you don't put enough cheese on a patty melt, that's a good way to get fired. Or put down on the dishwasher. Now to melt that cheese, we're just gonna cover it up. Oh, looky there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gotta have a top. So we're just gonna put that right there. Look at that. So easy, so simple. Just shut up, Dave. Put it together. Oh yeah. Got mayonnaise oozing out of the top. Let's go for the old cross section here. Gotta be quick. Oh yeah. I cook these burgers medium. That's the way I like them. Super juicy. Look how juicy that thing is. Look at that. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh. Half-pound patty melt. Let's go.